Welcome to our video about maximizing your earnings online. In this video, we will provide you with tips and tricks to help you make more money online and grow your income streams. The first step towards maximizing your earnings online is to find your niche. This means identifying a topic or industry that you are passionate and knowledgeable about and focusing your efforts on it. By becoming an expert in your niche, you can offer valuable content and attract a loyal audience. Once you have found your niche, it's important to create high-quality content that resonates with your audience. This can include blog posts, videos, podcasts, and more. By consistently producing valuable content, you can build a strong following and attract sponsors and advertisers who are willing to pay for access to your audience. Another key to maximizing your earnings online is to engage with your audience. Respond to comments, answer questions, and foster a sense of community around your content. By building a loyal following, you can increase your sponsorship and advertising revenues. Affiliate marketing is another effective way to maximize your earnings online. By partnering with companies and promoting their products or services to your audience, you can earn a commission on each sale made through your unique affiliate link. SEO, or search engine optimization, can also help you maximize your earnings by increasing your visibility in search engine results. By optimizing your content for relevant keywords and phrases, you can attract more organic traffic to your website or social media channels. In conclusion, maximizing your earnings online requires a combination of passion, expertise, and strategic planning. By finding your niche, creating high-quality content, engaging with your audience, leveraging affiliate marketing, and utilizing SEO techniques, you can increase your online income streams and achieve financial freedom.